The black Brazilian wax is a stripless wax enriched with natural ingredients. It acts as a purifier and detoxifier of the skin, absorbing toxins and impurities, resulting in smooth, moisturizing, and nourished skin. It's ideal for gentle and fast hair removal. Remove the aluminum lid and place wax can in heater and turn thermostat on maximum setting for a quick melt. Stir wax until proper consistency has been reached and turn heater down to normal temperature. Clean the area to be waxed with Intimo Pre-Wax Lotion. Apply wax in a thin layer in the direction of hair growth and wait for 2 to 3 minutes for the wax to cool and to ensure proper adhesion, then remove. After epilation, apply Intimo After Wax Lotion to calm and soothe the skin. Available in 9 different variants: Brazilian black, avocado, banana, green apple, orange, lemon, honey, titanium, zinc oxide.